Hi everyone and welcome to this quick tutorial. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of buying cryptocurrency on Revolut. Whether you are new to crypto or just looking for an easy way to get started, this guide will cover everything you need to know. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need the Revolut app. You'll need to add some fiat currency like dollars, euros or pounds to your account. Open the app and log in. On the home screen, add money. You'll then prompt to choose a payment method. This could be a bank transfer, debit card or credit card. Select the option that works best for you. Enter the amount of fiat currency you want to add. Once the money is in your account, you are ready to buy crypto. With funds in your account, it's time to head over to the crypto section. On the bottom menu of the app, tap Invest or Crypto depending on your app version. Here you will see a list of available cryptocurrencies. You can use the search bar to find a specific one, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, or simply scroll through the list. You have found the crypto you want to buy, tap on it to open its detail page. On the crypto details page, you'll see a big buy button. Tap that to start the purchase process. You'll be prompted to review and accept the terms and conditions. Take a moment to read through this carefully. Once you have accepted, enter the amount of fiat currency you want to spend. Keep in mind, Revolut charges a base fee of $1.5 per transaction, plus a spread, which is the difference between the buy and sell price. This means the total cost might be slightly higher than the amount you are spending. After reviewing the fees and the amount of crypto you'll receive, tap Confirm Order to complete the purchase. Congratulations, you are now a crypto owner. Want to see your unique crypto holdings? Go back to the home screen and tap Total Wealth. Then select crypto to view your portfolio. Here you can see the current value of your investments and tracks how they are performing. If you ever want to sell your crypto or trade it for another cryptocurrency, it's just as easy. Go back to the crypto section, select the cryptocurrency you want to sell and tap the sell button. Follow the prompts to complete the transaction. You can also use this section to exchange one crypto for another. Just explore the options available in the app. Before we wrap up, here are a few important things to keep in mind. The first one is fees. Revolut charges a base fee of $1.5 per transaction plus a spread. This can make smaller transactions relatively expensive. The second is spread. The difference between the buy and sell price means you might lose a small percentage if you sell your crypto immediately after buying. And the third is KYC. If it's your first time buying crypto, you may need to complete a KYC or know your customer verification. This involves providing identification documents to prove your identity. Let's quickly go over the pros and cons of using Revolut for crypto. Let's see pros of buying crypto on Revolut. It's super easy to use, making it great for beginners. You can access a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Everything is integrated into your Revolut account, so it's seamless and convenient. Now let's see cons of buying crypto on Revolut. The fees can be high, especially for smaller transactions. The spread can make it more expensive compared to other platforms. You don't own the private keys to your crypto, which is not ideal for long-term holders. And that's it. You have successfully bought cryptocurrency on Revolut. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.